Greetings, parents, teachers, students, and subscribers. I hope you're all doing well. It's only been a couple of days since we've temporarily suspended lessons, but I wanted to check in with everyone and let you know what I am planning to do in the upcoming couple of weeks to help you continue your piano studies. So I plan to do quite a number of videos covering many pieces in the Suzuki repertoire and a few other pieces as well. Some things that you can do to help your practice while you're home. Go back and review a lot of your old pieces. Even if you've forgotten them, try relearning them, hands separately, putting hands together, and working on your technique. Try to keep your fingers up above the keys. All the things that I typically talk about: curving your fingers, holding your arms up, sitting straight at the piano, not going too fast. Now, I could help you further if you send me a video of a piece that you're working on, and I can get back to you and give you a few suggestions on how you can improve on that piece. There is a possibility that I'll do some online lessons, but I don't plan to do any of that, at least for the next few weeks. In the meantime, I will be working on videos for you, and I hope you get something out of them. And please give me some feedback, leave some comments, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, all that good stuff. And just know that I'm thinking about all of you and wish you the very best. Stay healthy out there, and we'll see you again real soon. Thanks.